fucking leg, into me boot, all over me fucking fuck. Fuck's sake, lock the box. No, it was on the road. There was a crow having a good old fucking chew of fucking... Because koala, when you eat koala, it tastes like chicken a little bit. So there's a crow having a good feed at chicken. You want to go back and see the dead koala?
May as well.
Fucking Mo's well. Fucking let's go and have a look at this dead koala. Fuck's sake. Swerve to miss the dead koala. Fucking...
But now your coffee cup's empty, so...
Coffee cup can stay fucking empty. Lucky it didn't go... If it wasn't a cat cup, it'd be out the fucking window. It would have done. Oh no, old mate's gonna go straight over top of it. Oh yuck! And he splattered me, the dirty fucking filthy cunt. Oh man, this is disastrous. Just to have a look at a koala. Now I'm gonna pull up and you're gonna run out and just have a quick film of it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What else are you supposed to do? You have a quick film of the koala and just if you can, just shake Kenny's hand. Say, can you hear me, Kenny? Kenny, if you're in there, can you hear me? Kenny the koala. Yeah, where's he? Yeah, no, out of Gummery. Kenny the koala. It's fresh koala, like fresh chicken. Actually, if you want, grab his leg and we'll cook it up a bit later on, you know. Oh, you hear me, Kenny? Run back there and have a bit of a film and... Fucking idiot! Oh! Can you hear me, Kenny? Kenny! Oh! Fucking hell! Must have been looking at me. Oh no! Yuck, there's gizzards and everything. Oh, he's still alive. Look at his ears shuddering. No. Can you hear me, Kenny? There's a Kenny the koala here. Cop didn't even give a fuck. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh mate, I'm gonna go round. I'm like, oh no, he's hit it. Oh, fuck's sake, all over a bit of fucking road. This poor little cunt's done somersaults.